guys. We are out here, guys. It's about 7 p.m. I want to fish it up to about 9 o'clock, guys. If I see nothing's picking up, I'm just going to let it rest till the morning. That means the evening bite's not saying much and nothing much is going on. So the best thing to do, we ate dinner already. We're there somewhere. I'll go on the easy back, chill up, end up get wet up. So I'm going to have to probably change off before I go to bed. But guys, if you don't see any pickups tonight, well, tomorrow morning on the bite time. Dane is on his way here though, guys. Some of the guys are going to show up late. Some people's not going to show up. It is what it is. Big up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Shore fishing. It is now 9:34 p.m. guys. I'm setting these lines again. The wind has died completely. So guys, I'm going to set these lines out and get them out there with this dead wind, guys. I get a better cast. Gonna sit on the rods and see if we can pick up some snappers. See what we can get tonight, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Night fishing, guys. Camping and night fishing. I was gonna take a nap, but when I seen the wind die down, guys, I could not refuse and come out here and throw my lines up. So with this wind down like this, guys, I should be getting a decent bite tonight. Some snappers should be running tonight, guys, because the sea was chucked up before. Now they're gonna be coming in. Now I feel it. So stay tuned, guys. I'll let you in on the next catch. Fish on Jamaican shore fishing. We have Dane on the floor. We have Dane on the phone. And we have fish on tonight, guys. We got Dane on the phone. And we got fish on tonight, guys. Fish on. And he's fighting. Fish on this mother flower tonight, guys. First fish. As he almost reached, guys, we got Dane on the phone. Fish on, guys. That's what's up. Fish on. Dane ain't gone over my 2 line. Ain't gone over. Fish on, Dane. He might try to run line, Dane. Dane might try to run line. Fish on, Dane. Dane, I have to come off my phone, Dane. I have to go in the water, Dane. Stay left. Fish on Jamaican shore fishing. It's a friggin' stingray. Stingray tonight, guys. Dang, stingray. I hate this. I hate when I get these, guys. Yes, Jamaican shore fishing. This is what I got. A stingray. Pain in the behind. Well, let's get this hook out of here and set this guy free. I don't eat them, so I normally let him go. You got to be careful that barb on the tail, guys. So what I do, I flip him on the back. I get the tail held down, and I just unhook him, guys. See? So I get the tail held down, guys. I flip him on his back, and I get him unhooked. Get him back over there. He's still alive. He's okay. Let's get this guy back in the water. There you go. He's all gone. The wave will take him back out. I'm not trying to hurt this guy. Let's get him back over there. All right. I'm back over there. He's gone. All right, Jamaican shore fishing. All right, he's off. That's what's up. Yeah, peoples, this is what's up, guys. 5 o'clock in the morning. Baits is set. We up in the morning. Took a couple of hours nap, guys, because nothing was really happening last night. All the time I was here yesterday, the weather was rough. I caught one stingray, guys. One stingray. That's all I've picked up so far since I've been out here. We're still giving it a shot, guys. We're still out. Me and Dane's out. Courtney's here. The guys showed up late last night and came and joined me down here, guys. And this is what it's all about. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. Big up yourself. On the line, Courtney's bringing it in. I'm gonna let Courtney land this fish today, guys. Come on, bring him in, Courtney. He's feeling a little bit of drag. Bring him in. That's it, Courtney. That's it. Come on, Courtney, bring him in. I see him out there coming in. Bring him in. I see it. Bring it in. Come on, bring him in. I see it. Practice not to lean back. All right? Just bring him in. Let's bring him in. See him here. Bring him in. Bring him in. Nice size congry. Eel. Good catch. Don't let him drop on the ground because he's going to knock the line up. You heard? Hold him right there. Let me get my tools. Hold on. I have to get my bag, guys. Make sure I get my... Press this rod right here real quick. I'm a rod, I don't want to drop my water.
You ate him? You ate him?
Hold on. Him? Hold him. Hold the line.
You hold it?
I hold his side with you. You bite, you know? Hold on there. You want him?
So what I do with him?
You can cook him, you know, if you want him to eat.
Yeah, me cook him, man. Cook him.
Go ahead, bro. Just put him in the cooler or something, or dispatch him first. Stab him in the middle of your head here. Look, in your head, and then dispatch him. Just right now, miggle between the eyes, straight through. You bite you, know, dogs.
The first one is done, you know, after.
They eat real good. What bust off in your head? Courtney's going hot this morning, guys. One more eel. One more eel. One more congry eel this morning, guys. Yo, dispatch it because we want it for bait. That's good bait. We're going to put him on fridge if we don't eat him. He's going to knock that line up. Don't worry about it. Just get those other lines out of the way. Got you. Jamaican shore fishing.
Come here.
Fish on.
Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Fish on. Wire lead.
Yeah, man.
Feel like a stingray though.
Huh?
Feel like a stingray. Am I coming too easy?
Oh my God, that one is big here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cut off your head, quick. So I don't knot up my reel. Head.
Use the machete.
Good deal. Fishing here, guys. Getting hit on the small line. Look like we got something small on there. Don't look like major on. Something small. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on. Another one. God damn it, man.
Another eel.
Yo, just like Eel Central today or something. Is it there? We're about a mile up from the camp, guys. Cutting through some path to get to this cove that I've seen on the map. So we're working our way up, and trust me, this is all mangrove swamps. It's just dry. There's no rain. So what we're doing is cutting across, trying to get to the other side, to this cove, to see what we can pick up. All right, guys. So stay tuned, guys. This is real adventurous. We're just exploring this place out to see what we can pick up. I got Dane and Courtney back here following up. The sea is about 100 yards to the left of us, and we're just walking the coast on land going up. Wicked, guys. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Good distance, good cardio. That's what's up. Shore fishing? Out here, guys. You get ready to hit the salt pond that's up here. Yo, I'll be careful back. Salt pond. What's up? We gotta make our own tracks across here, guys. Some bike trails. Follow the bike trails, you can't go wrong. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you talk folk. Junior lifestyle. Might have to cut back left, guys. We're bumping into the crook hole now. Let's look and see what it looks like, though. Getting really soft. This is that salt pond right here. Always. So we're gonna have to go around this to the left, guys. Me know, I look. I'll show you how to look. Fish in there, no? Fish in there. Come grown. So I cut it to you, can go. Yo, then you have a hole there, you normally wall. Around here, so we normally camp, you know. And we chop it back to you, so for that side. Go on, and we chop out here, so go on. Well soft, movie. Step on the tree. Step on the branch. Branch. Any branch you step on the wood. You rock them, I know. This is a bumping, I know.
What are you doing? Oh,
You rock them now, where I look for. East side and rock.
I'm gonna check on the seaside up there first. You can go around same way, but I'm gonna check up there and follow along. Yeah. 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 Rugo, look at all this untouched beach, Rugo. Look how nice this beach is. Untouched beach, look how nice it is. This is what's up, guys. Guys, we seen this trail a while ago. We was wondering what it was. But then when I came back here, guys, and look at it better, those are croc prints, guys. There's a croc running around here someplace. And these are his trails, his tail drag. He's been through here, going back into there. So we just actually walked back there to see what's up, but it looked like it came out and went out into the water to hunt. So there's crocs in the salt water up this side, guys, so we got to be careful. You hear me? Watch out for them because they can have their nest on the bank in here, anywhere. So you got to be careful. See, look. They go in the sea, they go to salt water, bro. They leave out of there and they go to salt water. Look. See this hole right here? Those are turtle eggs or something. But they coming out of here and they going this way. Here goes another one. And we just got to be careful on the beach that we don't bump into one and get them scared. You know what I'm saying? Because once you get them scared, they're going to either rush you or whatever the case might be. We just got to be cautious. Because their tracks and trails are all over here. Sometimes they'll be laying on the beach. You got to be careful. Here goes more tracks. More trails. There, guys, croc turf. Croc turf behind us. There goes another trail right there again. Another one right here, guys. Huh? Another trail. Yeah. So that means this place is infested with them. Yes, somebody was walking here though. That's why like that. True. Yo, I work it right just here. I work it at that tree stump here. As long as I don't see no more croc tails behind me. Somebody was walking through here earlier today. Yeah guys, so Shawnee's first trip camping, and she came out to Jamaica and wanted to experience camping on the beach in Jamaica. She did, but she didn't like dogs. Like no, she rushed to the car halfway through the trip and stood in the car with a big ball. But anyway, it's a girly girl thing, y'all know that. But Ari's here, Dane's here, and Courtney's here, and we're getting ready. And Slam is here, definitely, and we're getting ready to head out, guys, and head home. This is it. This is the end of our journey. So, all said and done, guys. Closing this video, heading home, making shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's right.